We got a 2005 Chevy Uplander, needs a radiator. So it looks like you gotta take this off. All of this gotta come out. Here. You gotta remove this. You gotta remove all of this so you can unbuckle this. I took the lines off. So we're gonna get to it.
You're gonna need a wrench for this one. That bolt's gotta come low.
You can't. Screwdriver.
Oh no, that just comes up.
Just hit that back there.
Yeah, I see it.
She tight.
Don't get that one with the...
It's too tight?
The extension, yeah.
You need leverage? All right.
Ah!
All right.
Hit.
Okay. Pittsburgh extended ratchet. Try this. Took that extension off, give more torque.
Yeah. This extends?
No, that's long. That's a long handle. Them always tight up in there. They rusty. That should go. Should go?
Yeah.
Yep. Get that knocker loose. This some good shit.
And it worked.
It worked. All right, put the gun back on it. See how that penetrate down in there? See how that knocker loose penetrate? See what I'm saying? That's some good stuff. So y'all pick up some of this. Knock her loose.
Oh yeah, you get a screwdriver for that. Unclip that.
All right, just break these. Let's get them broke. Get these broke here, and here.
Long ones for the motor.
The long ones what?
For the motor.
They probably the same length, ain't they?
No, them short ones go to these bottom.
Oh yeah. I know that. Okay, so we get all these off.
Sure the motor ain't gonna come forward. Huh?
No, the motor straight. Got the transmission mount holding the motor. The motor ain't moving. Okay, we'll be back, guys. Get all this broke loose. Okay, so we got all the bars out. Clear space. You can put that back. You got all your room. My suggestion, cut the hose. They old, they get warped on the end. You can't get that clamp off. Just cut the hose and you can work with it on the new radiator. Lower hose, cut that as well. Now you just got to get these transmission lines loose. I'll show you how to do that. You need a pick set. Okay, now you have to remove this. Here, you need a set of picks. See, just see magnetized light. So you just go in. You just gotta find the clamp. Just unpick it. See? Remove that light. You just gotta unpick it. You get these new on the new radiator. See? At that point, it's free. It's free. You need to get some spray so you don't break the line. Okay, people, you have to remove the battery because it's a little bolt right here. Right here. You got to get that out. You can only get that out by removing the battery. Same over here. You got to remove the air box. So that's 10mm bolts to remove the air box to get to another bolt that's down there. So you gotta remove the air box. So that's what we doing, people. Get your magnet light. Anywhere. Give you some light. Sticks to any metal so you can work. Okay, so we didn't have to take out the battery. I was able to snake the screw out, but we did have to remove that. There is a little screw here. This bracket, you gotta take it out. It's a 15/16. Now we're just gonna remove the radiator. All the lines are off. Put you something down to catch the transmission fluid. Okay, we got the radiator out. It's out. You can see it's pretty rusty down here, but we're gonna make it work. Zip ties. But this the condenser, still good. For 200,000 miles, the condenser in pretty good shape. That's why I made them all aluminum. But these the lines. Lines in good shape. Transmission lines.
Or something on there?
Nah, they just snap in.
Yeah, snap in.
Okay. All right. All we do now is just sit her in.
So what the fuck keeps that bitch sealed?
What do you mean? It's all in the assembly.
So that's all in there.
It's all in there, dog.
Okay.
All your seals in there.
Okay.
Just push in. It's a push in. Okay. Drop the radiator. Install, my friend. Okay, well, you got to do a little wiggling. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, radiator slid back in. Plug your lines in. Here. That's all you got to do. Just plug your lines in. Put your bolt in and go down here. Now we're going to put the fan in. Very easy to install. Slip in on the radiator. Here. Bolt here, which is the long screws that you took out. Okay, radiator back in, filling it up. Gotta put your suspension bars across here. As you can see, we gotta tighten all this up. He's putting that back in. Okay, she's back together, people. You got to put the motor in park so you can pull this forward to get these bolts back in. Put it in park and you can pull the motor forward.
No, you got to put it in neutral.
But well, neutral. Excuse me, neutral. Put it in neutral, and you can pour the motor forward, and you can get these bolts back in here. And that's it. Fill her up, start her up, radiator's back in.